Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can turn off your Chromebook device with just a keyboard shortcut. As a matter of fact, there are two keyboard shortcut keys that you can do to basically turn off and log off your account from the Chromebook device, and it's going to make the shutdown process a lot quicker. So let's start with the first keyboard shortcut. The first keyboard shortcut is the Control, Shift, and then key on your Chromebook keyboard. And in case you don't know where these keys are located, this is the layout of a typical Chromebook device, and the Control key is located right here, Control, and then the Shift key is right here, just up above it, and then the Q button right here. So you want to press and hold the Control, Shift, and then Q, and then you have to do it twice quickly to turn off your Chromebook device. So if I press Control, Shift, and then Q, I'll see this message basically informing me that I have to press that keyboard shortcut twice and fast in order to log off my account. But I'm not going to do that, because if I do it twice, then I'm going to this video recording will stop. So that's why I'm not going to do it. But you can definitely use it, and after you do it, you will be logged out from your Chromebook device, and then you have to enter your PIN or password again to log in, or you can just press the shutdown button on that login screen. So anyway, that was for this first keyboard key. The second keyboard key is actually something that wasn't a shortcut combination. It's just a button that is available on the Chromebook keyboard. So if you actually go back to the Chromebook keyboard layout, there is this icon, this button with a padlock icon. This is actually a lock off button, just like the Control, Shift, and then Q, but this is just one button, and in order to use it, you have to press and hold that key. And if you actually do it, you will see some sort of a blurry effect where there is going to be an animation where the device is about to be turned off. Now again, I'm not going to press it, because if I do it, then this video will stop. So basically there are two combination keys that you can try: Control, Shift, and then Q, and also this padlock button on the top right corner on the keyboard layout. So that's basically it. That's how you can turn off your Chromebook device with just a keyboard shortcut key. Again, it's not going to turn off the device, it is just for logging off, but after that you can actually just press the shutdown button on the login screen right here. So anyway, if you found this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.